Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to talk about three basic rules of the electronic configuration, and those rules are, first of all, the Hund's rule. Hund's rule. Then second one we will talk about the Pauli rule. It's called Pauli exclusion principle. And the third one is the off-bar principle. Okay. So these rules, when we are going through it, I'm going to be explaining some of the basic points also. For example, there are shells in the periodic table, shells, which are called the energy levels. And how many of them? 7 energy levels are there. Okay, it starts with K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q. So this is shell number 1, this one is number 2, this one is number 3, number 4, 5, 6, and 7. So every shell have subshells. Subshells in it, right? And subshells are having shells are having the subshells. Subshells are having the orbitals, and orbitals are having electrons in it. So we are focusing on the GPS system of electrons. So for example, shell number 1, if I'm talking about shell number 1, it has only one kind of subshell. That is called S. It stands for spherical. And S has only one kind of orbitals. Orbital, and that is also called S. And how many electrons can S accommodate in it? There can be maximum of 2 electrons, right, in the S. Right, so moving on to another subshell, or this is called the P. It is the principal, right? And this is classified into 3 categories: Px, Py, and Pz. How many electrons can each one accommodate? 2 electrons in each one. So these boxes I'm showing, these are the number of electrons inside these boxes. So a total of 6 electrons. Yani 3 subshells are there, 2 in each one, and you get 3 2s are 6 electrons. Then we have d orbital. D orbitals are classified into 5 categories: dxy, dyz, dzx, dz square dash y square, and the last one is dz square only. So there are 5 kinds and each one can accommodate 2, so the total number of electrons are 10 in it. And then we have the f orbital, which is of 7 kinds, total 2 electrons in it, and you get total of 14 electrons. Now let me just draw this on the periodic table for you. If this is our periodic table, a sketch of the periodic table. Okay, so these two sides are S block, then we have the D block, then we have the P block, and then the last one, this one is the F block.